This tutorial review will show you how to do a boomerang on Snapchat. This process will be a very simple process. So first of all, you have to update your Snapchat app. If you're an iPhone user, then go to your App Store and update Snapchat. And if you're an Android user, go to your Play Store and update your Snapchat app. And then open your Snapchat and capture a 2 seconds video. Once you captured, you will get this option here. Now tap on it to select bounce or loop. If you want to make a boomerang, you can select loop or bounce. I suggest to select here bounce and then tap on send to, and you can send this boomerang to your story. And I'm going to opening my story here to show you the final result. And as you can see, I've successfully added or posted a boomerang on my Snapchat story. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.